Hello, my name is Bernard J. Wells Jr. I am a civil rights activist right now who's trying to make a difference, make a change in the way uh, our judicial system, our laws are being ran, and hopefully replace some of the people who are in control of everything right now. I basically just filed a $250 million civil suit against five uh, officers of the court who took my life away from me 7.5 years for a fist fight that I had nothing to do with. Um, I've done a couple of talk shows since I've been home. I've been on the front page of Call and Post magazine. I've been in Cleveland Life magazines. I've done a couple of press conferences with 19 Action News. I want to get to what's really going on. I filed this motion right here, this civil suit right here. Make sure that it's so you guys can see that it's been filed the 23rd of June. Um, this is Bernard J. Wells Jr. versus attorney Ed Wade, who's now judge, municipal judge, prosecutor Francine Goldberg, prosecutor Lisa Reitz Williamson, Judge John Russo, and Police Sergeant James Haber of the back then 6th District Police Department. I sued these people, the state or whatever, for the amount of $250 million, which you can see right here. $250 million is what I sued for, because I am the guy who they sent me to jail 7.5 years for a fist fight that I had nothing to do with. The guy who actually committed the crime and confessed on 19 Action News, our hottest news, through Ed Gallick from 19 in 2004. It's now 2014. You're wondering why I'm doing a video and trying to take action right now. In all actuality, no attorney here in the city of Cleveland, the state of Ohio, would take my case, because they're all working together to keep this situation covered up, all because of my attorney, who's now judge right now, Ed Wade, didn't represent me properly in court, deliberately. I wrote a book called Timebarred. It's in publication. I still haven't come up with the money to produce this book. It's been kind of hard for me, but I owe $7,500 to Dorrance Publishing in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and the book contains all certified Cuyahoga County records supporting this civil suit, exposing corrupt police, prosecutors, lawyers, and judges. In all actuality, I was sent to jail 4 times for this same case, and I need some help. I mean, people need to know that I got certified Cuyahoga County records showing how Judge Ed Wade, that was my attorney back then, participated in a conspiracy by not reading the statement from the victim to the jury during my trial. The victim, one of the victims, walks into my attorney's office and exonerates me, explaining to the whole world that I wasn't the person that beat him and his nephew or somebody up. But anyway, Ed Wade had this statement made. Merle L. Stewart typed it up. I paid her $250 to come into Ed Wade's office and type up this statement. The statement was ready 8.5 months before trial. I was in trial March 18th through the 20th, 1996. I had a past criminal history of selling drugs when I was young or whatnot. So it became me against my past criminal history. In all actuality, Ed Wade Edward S. Wade Jr., who is now municipal judge, my attorney back then, did not read the statement from the victim saying that I wasn't the one who did it. I went to jail, done 7.5 years behind bars for a fist fight that I had nothing to do with. The guy who did it actually confessed on 19 Action News in 2004. They actually locked me up 4 times for this same case. I never violated any probation or parole. I've done everything the judge asked me. The prosecutor went over my judge's head after I had completed 7 years already. 7 years for a fist fight, and locked me back up for the final and 4th time. My number is area code 216-322-4824. That's 216-322-4824. Anybody seeing this video, if you have any money, I mean, if you can help me produce this book, I will make I will do a contract with you through my publishing company. If you can afford $7,500, I'll pay you back 15, 20 grand. It's going to be nothing. But this situation has to be exposed. These in Judge John Russo's courtroom, that was the only opportunity I was given to for redress. I hollered out conspiracy in his courtroom. He done nothing about it. I have certified Cuyahoga County Records showing how the police, prosecutor, my paid attorney, and my lawyer all conspired together. So if anybody out there can help me, my name is Bernard J. Wells Jr., and I just filed a $250 million civil suit against these people. Please contact me, 216-322-4824.